Hi there. I want to give a quick overview of some commands for Mac for navigating through the windows and desktops. So you can have different desktops to sort all your windows. So what I'm doing is holding Control and pressing up. So Control up is going to like explode all the windows that are currently open in the current desktop, and you can see all the desktops I have over here in the top of the screen. If I press Control down, I will see all of the different desktops that I have open. So Control up just explodes the windows in the current desktop. I have 5 open currently. A few of them are on the other monitor, which you can't see in the video. And down just shows all the desktops. So this is like one level up, and this is like the next level down on the desktop. And then holding Control at any one of these levels pressing left or right will go to the next desktop and show you all the stuff that's there. So if I'm just viewing one and I hold Control and press left, I'm going to go to the next desktop. Or if I have the explosion view and I press left or right, I'm going to have the exploded view of the next desktop. So that's good to know in case you're using different desktops and wanting to navigate through them. And in case you need to know how to create a new one, you want to drag a window and actually I have a shortcut button on my keyboard that does this, but you can press the for me it's the F3 button, and then the plus over here will create a new desktop, which will I can then like grab this, drag it up into the bar, and pull the windows in a new screen. But there you go. That's how you can do some navigation on your desktops on your Mac.